Master the future. Expressing likes with will love, will enjoy, will prefer. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on mastering conversational English. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, expressing your likes in the future tense. Specifically, we'll look at how to use will love, will enjoy, and will prefer. These are powerful phrases that can help you talk confidently about your future preferences. Let's get started. Before we jump into examples, let's make sure we're clear on the future simple tense. The future simple tense is used to express actions that will take place in the future. It's typically formed with the modal verb, will, followed by the base form of the main verb. So, when you say, I will love this movie, you are expressing a future liking. Will love is a great way to express a strong liking for something in the future. It's often used when you're confident you'll feel a strong positive emotion about something. Let's look at some examples. I will love the new Star Wars movie. I've always been a big fan of this series. I know you will love this dessert. It's made with your favorite ingredients. Will enjoy is another common phrase used to express future likes. It's less strong than will love, and often used when talking about future activities or experiences. Here are some examples. I will enjoy the concert next week. My favorite band is playing. You will enjoy the trip. The sights are breathtaking. Finally, will prefer is used to talk about what you would rather do or choose in the future. It's a polite way to express your future choices or desires. Let's see it in action. I will prefer to spend my vacation in Hawaii. I love the beach. They will prefer to use their own equipment for the project. It's more reliable. There you have it. You now know how to confidently express your future likes using will love, will enjoy, and will prefer. Remember, the key to mastering any language skill is practice. So, try using these phrases in your daily conversations. Thank you for joining us in this lesson. Stay tuned for more useful tips on mastering English. Keep practicing and I'm sure you'll continue to improve. Until next time, happy learning!